Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Zelle to transfer money in Chase. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So you don't have to go through a third-party scenario for you to use Zelle to send money on Chase. Chase directly offers a service along with Zelle itself. So all you gotta do is simply go ahead, open up your browser, and then simply access chase.com/personal/Zelle so you can get all of your questions answered. So for here, you're simply gonna go ahead, scroll down, and now you're gonna see the section of why Zelle and how it works. Switch to how it works, and now you can see enroll in Zelle, send money fast, split the cost with Zelle. These are the basic services that it offers. All you gotta do is tap on this play for the video file. You will be able to check out the steps for it, how you can simply going into your bank and simply selecting the options, selecting the person you want to send money to, and you will be able to simply transfer them the money directly. So all you gotta do is check out this website and check out the steps and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. And yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.